Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create a simple form to display the student profile. Before starting our program, just take a moment to subscribe my channel so that you will receive my latest updates. Now let's start our programming. So you can maximize this screen a little bit so that you can place your controls because here we will be using more controls. So for my form properties, I'll change my font size. Now we'll see what are the controls and how our form will be designed. So now just see some example of it. So these are the content you will be placing on your form. So let's start our programming. You can see this design. I'll place all the labels on my screen and I'll come back to you. Now you can see that I had placed all the labels. For the labels and all, I had just changed the caption. I did not change any of this name. In this property, you can see that the name I did not change, only the caption I had changed. For the 11 labels also, I had changed only the caption. So this is my heading and I had placed 5 text boxes and 2 command buttons. For this first command button, the name I had changed it to submit and the caption I had given as submit. And the second one, for name exit and caption quit I had given. For the text box also, I just erased the text content. I had changed the name. So the here see, you can see in the property window, I had just erased the text content. And in the name, you can see here, I had given S name. You cannot give just a name in the name box because name is a built-in word in VB. It will have a special meaning. So you cannot use name to your name box because while coding, it will throw an error that the name is a built-in word. So you should give like student name, STU name, ST name, like that you can give. I had given as S name in property window. And for roll number, the name I had given is roll. And for address text box, address. And for phone number text box, the name is phone. And the mail text box, the name is mail. Now we'll place the remaining controls. That is for date of birth, gender, depart course, and semester. We'll place date of birth, date. For this, we have to place a date control button. So here you can see that in default toolbox, there is no date. So go to the toolbox window and right click it. You can see here components. Click on that. There will be a window pop up. You can select Microsoft Common Control. That is Microsoft Window Common Control. There is 5 to 6. There is around 5 same name is there, but the version is different. You should be aware that you have to select only 6.0. So you should only select this one. You should not select the other because the date will be contained from this option only. So I'll give apply. So see here some icons are added here. So just close this window and this is your date picker. See here date picker. Double click on that. You will get, just drag it and drop near the date of birth. Now for gender, we'll place the option button because option button is used to select any one of the option. Any one of the option you can select from this. For that purpose, I'm placing two options. One is for female and one is for male. We'll change the caption of this. Go to the caption, the property and change it to male. We'll place one more option button and the name, sorry, the caption I will give as female. For department, course and semester, we'll place a combo list because combo list is to use to select the single option from many options. For that purpose, I'm using combo box here. And in the property window, I'll give the name as depart because department only I'm using. So depart. And in text, I'll erase that combo one and give as select department. Likewise, place move to combo box and go to the property window. In the text, I will give as select course. Sorry. In name, I will give as course. ST. We'll place one more option combo box and the name I will give as SEM and go to the text and change it to select semester. So now we have designed our form. Just I'll align it. If you want to change the background color of your form, just click on this form and go to the property and select in back color, whichever color you want to keep, just you can set it. Now we'll see the main screen, that is out screen of this form. So I'll just click it. So this is your output screen. Here you can see that first label I had used for heading purpose, and these are my label buttons for name, roll number, date of birth, department and so on, and 5 text boxes. These are the text box. I had used it for entering values, and this is our date button, that is date picker. With the help of this you can select whichever date you need it. And these two are option button. It is used to select any one of these options. These three are the combo boxes. This is used to select only one single option from many options or choices. And these two are command buttons. Submit is to submit your form, and this is to quit from your particular screen. Now we'll do coding for this with or this form so that you will be perform some tasks. So that if you click here, you can select the date. See, I select female. When I select male, it's get erased here. Likewise, if you add items to this, you can select it. I'll just end it. Here you can enter your coding. So go to quit command and double click on this. I'll give end. Now cut and double click on this form. See my cursor, I'll double click. This is my form. Here I'm going to add items to my department combo box and semester combo box. So give depart dot add item, open your quotation, computer science. Enter. I'll just copy this code. Copy and I'll enter and paste it. Enter, paste, enter. So I'll just erase this computer science in second statement and give as medical science. And for third option, I will give us commerce. Now we'll write for semester. So our semester combo box name is sem dot add item, open your quotation, give semester 1 and close it. I'll copy this statement, enter, I'll paste it. Now I'll change this semester to 3 and this is 4, 5 and this is 6. So 6 semester we had placed. That is we had added to the form. Now just close this window and go to course button. Sorry, in department. In department, just double click it. You have to change this change event. Just erase this change and type as click. Because if we click that, it should change the event. So just enter. Now type as, we have to specify the condition. If my department is computer science, what are the courses available? So we'll give a if condition, if my depart dot text equals to, so whatever you see my cursor, whatever you type in the inside this add item, the same wording, same uppercase or lowercase, same spacing, same spelling, everything you have to type as it is here. If you change one letter also, your value will not be shown in your comma box too. So just type as it is. Computer space science. It should be similar to your added item. Click them, enter. Now we have to add the items to the course. Dot add item BCA. Now I'll copy this statement. Copy it. Paste. Again I'll paste. And one more statement. Now we'll change the contents. I'll give us others, and here I'll give us BSc IT, Information Technology. Here we'll give MCA. Likewise, we'll place this entire statement, that is 4 statement. I just copy it. Press enter. If my department is not computer science, that is, else if depart dot text equals to, my second item is medical science. You can see here medical science. We'll type as it is medical space science. Now close the quotation, close the quotation, then enter. Now paste this 4 statement what you had copied. I'll go to paste. Now we'll change the options in this. My third option is, sorry, BSc Medicine. And here I will give MD and here MBBS. Likewise, again press enter. If my department is not medical science, so else if depart dot text equals to open quotation and type your third option, that is commerce. And just give then enter, again paste your four statements. Now we'll change here also and give as BBA and here MCom and here BCom, that is BCom Bachelor of Commerce. If this all condition is failed, you don't have to select anything. So just give end if. In my previous video, I had said that how many if condition you have opened, so many you have to close it. But when it comes to nested if condition, here we did not give space between else and if. So this shows that this is a nested if condition. If you're using this one, you have to close only one end if condition. So this option is over. Now we'll type code for this submit button. Just double click on this submit and give us some condition, that if open quotation and your first text box name, that is S name dot text equals to space closing quotation and give and role, my second text box name. How many text box are given, for that you just give a condition like this. Text equals to and forum dot text equals to and mail dot txt equals to space and close your round bracket and give then enter. If this condition true, that is if you did not enter any or values, it is blank, you have to give message that is a pop-up message that fill all the details, enter, else message box details are submitted successfully. So this is the coding for your particular form. Now we'll just see the explanation of it. Just I'll maximize the screen. So your coding starts from here. First we'll see the form load condition. So this form is the name of your form and load is an event. Load event is used to add items to your form combo boxes or a list boxes. So here we have used only a combo boxes. So here for department combo box and my semester combo box, I'm adding items, that is computer science, medical science and commerce. And the semesters, I had added 6 semesters. And after this, we'll go for department click event. As soon as you click your department combo box, it will check a condition whether department value, that is your department value is computer science, means whatever you have given add item in a quotation, it should be as same in the checking condition also, so that it will just check the condition and go to the next statement. So if my department is computer science, these are the options available inside your computer science combo box. And if not, my department is medical science, it will show this many items. And if it is commerce, it will show these items. So this is about your department. This is a nested if condition. If you are opening one if, you should not give in nested if, you should not give space between else and if. So you should close only one if condition. And this is your exit command. This is your exit command button that is used for quit. Just I'm ending it. If you press quit, it should come out from that output window. And this is your submit command button. In this, I had checked a condition whether my text box is empty or not. If my text box is any one of this text box is empty, it will pop up a message that fill all the details. If this condition fails, so my text box is not empty, all are filled. So it will go to and print this details are successfully submitted or details are submitted successfully. So this is the explanation behind this codings. I hope this is understood. We'll just start running it. Just go to the start button and click it. So this is your output screen. I'll just enter the name Sam and the roll number 34. I'll select the date of birth. Something. I'll select that 12th 2017 and I'll select gender. In department, computer science. In course, you can select BCA. In semester, I'll select 4th sem. In address, I'll give Bangalore. And phone number, whichever you like, whichever your mobile number, you can give it. At gmail.com. If we click submit, it should get submitted. If there is an error. So as I said, if you open a if condition, you have to close it. So just close it and if. Now we'll start. So details are successfully submitted. Okay. Now we'll just quit it and we'll check for the second condition, that is fill all the details. I'll just execute it. So I did not give anything. I'll give address. So if you click submit, there is a pop-up message that details are submitted successfully. As we are using AND condition, it will check whether any one of this condition true also it will give. And suppose one second, there is an error in code, just we'll check it. Here you should not give spacing. I'll just end it. Don't give space, just give a empty quotation. If we give space, it will print as it is. So only we are getting error. Now we'll just run it. So I'm not giving it. I'll give phone number. Now I'll give submit. Here details are submitted successfully. You should not give the AND logical operator here. You have to use OR so that it will check each and every condition. So we'll just execute it. So I had given only the name. This roll number and all I didn't give. So I'll give submit. There is a pop-up message that fill all the details. So we have successfully completed our coding and we had completed this programming also. I hope this concept is understood, and you can easily design a program using this code. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just like, comment and share. If you have any doubt of these queries, you can feel free to ask in my comment box. And once again, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.